Here's an Aiwa. DSL dynamic super loudness. It's actually well built. It's got this weird smell, these things. Like a PCB board, you know. Plastic. This stuff is sitting in the rain. A lot of screws here. Well, let me start taking it apart here. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, I got the top off it. Looks like it's built pretty nice. Heat sinks here. Some aluminum here. Transformer. It really stinks. We call it like chemicals. There's going to be a transformer under here. I don't know, some kind of weird transformer. It's some epoxy or something. Very, very heavy. Well, 3 pounds probably at least. Okay, aluminum face right there. Walk off some of the stuff here to clean it. Clean. Screw thing. Nice heat sink. Copper spool things. Yeah. Not seeing a lot in here. Got a heatsink here. Transistor with a heatsink. Heatsink there. It's really not really much here, to be honest. Our technology is a little too old. Two power amplifiers. Power transistors. Okay, so not really seeing nothing that I need here. Okay, that one's dead. Okay, now the Aiwa quartz tuner up next. I took all the screws out, so speed up the process. Better glue in this stuff than the other stuff, but okay. Pretty heavy face. Pretty good. Built pretty nice. Okay, here's the should be an antenna. FM antenna, I would think. Oh, come on. One works, one don't work. I was curious on. There should be like wire inside this thing. Break it open. We'll see if there's any. So, but it's an antenna, so we'll see if it's coiled on there. What it looks like. It's on a ferrite. It's really thin material. Push it through. So like the wire is so minute because it's just for antenna, so there's no real, no need to go real thick. Anyways, it's all coiled copper here. It's so minute. It's so thin you can't strip it. The power supply here. Got a transformer. So you have to cut the housing on this one, like on the other one, the same way. Same type of transformer. This is copper band here. combination. There it is, copper band. Transformer. Okay, let me just strip this down a little better and see what kind of stuff's in there. I'm not seeing too much. Mostly old school stuff, but nothing high tech. Okay. Okay, I broke it down. Not really much in here. There's a few IC chips here and there, not very much. One bigger IC chip here, quite nice actually. But that's it. And a little handful of wire. Yeah, not bad for wire. These little Aiwas, not too bad. Okay, let's move on to some different. Okay, I got a Kenwood amplifier here now. It's kind of been in the rain, so. Okay, transformer is loose. Nice little transformers in these things. Very heavy. Okay. See if I can slide this through. It's just stuck between laminations, so copper. Oh, it's almost out. Okay, copper. A nice transformer. Pretty heavy. Copper spool. Figure out how I could try these heat sinks off without taking too much apart. Looks like I could take a lot apart to stick to it. Flip that board somehow. So screw here. It's one screw, that's it. See, a lot of these different stereos got, you know, different weird kind of speaker connections, right? I'm not sure. Well, this one, maybe this one just turns, but you know, you have your tape player to tuner, so you need the right type of you know, cables to the right type of tuner. That's the problem with this stupid stuff. A lot of people throw this stuff out because it's just a pain. You have to get in-house accessories, right? There's a screw here. Should come out. Okay. Nice little heatsink. Power transistor here. Put that one over. No real gold recovery stuff here. It's just scrap basically. Okay, he's done. Here's a camera tuner. It's matching tuner, the other one. Really nothing in there, just one IC chip. A pair of pliers or something. Copper spool. Can't really even get off. So anyways, got the big IC chip off here. Okay, let's move on to something else. Pop those two other chips off and this one's done. Let's see, nothing more here. Okay, here's the cassette player. Final one here for Aiwa. Wow, look at the wires. Super big mess of wires in there. Transformer. Why so much wire in a set? It's amazing. I have to cut this out, I think. So like this and cut it like this. It's a little too tight. Oh, It's a little heavier gauge, this one. Oh, a little harder to cut. I don't know if I could. You can hammer it through somehow. Side off. Okay. Okay, let me take all this wire out. Show you what I got here. It looks like a lot of wire. Okay, almost done. A good handful of wire. Amazing how much wire is in this thing. Okay, so not really much in here for like gold bearing stuff, but still gotta scrap it out. Aluminum transformer with a faceplate off it. Okay, so I'll just here's the cassette portion. Some more to here. Maybe I can take that out. That's about it. Not much here. Okay. These weights might be be steel, maybe partly steel. Anyways, okay. Okay, here's the Sony. Probably was worth a lot of money at its time. It's probably a really good collector's item, but too far gone, broken, rusted. This is too bad. It's probably a high-end model still today. It's much to take off it. Not much wire at all. A few bits of wire. I like to take at least the head out. But the only good thing here is this thing, probably. Copper here and this. Anyways, we'll do this later, another time. So I'm not thinking there's much more I'm going to strip here. Let's cast aluminum off here. Yeah, so we can leave it the way it is. Really nothing in those things. Yeah, just leave it the way it is. One spool I can knock off here. Okay, not too good. Okay, get the light here. It's actually like a old-fashioned, has an extension on it. Probably like on a pole or something. So I already took the center wire out, so only thing's left is a couple small pieces here. It's all like cast aluminum. No point scrapping it the way it is. Might as well cash in. Only takes a few seconds. Piece of steel there. Okay, just the one nut steel. That's steel here. Okay. This is the lay adjustment. This wire there. It's a bit rusty, so it's taking a little longer, but it's okay, it's all good. Unscrew this. I think this, double check this one here. Okay. That's just like almost like a kit, you know, you just buy all the little accessory pieces and stuff. This light socket's gonna come out. Could be a small screw here, as you can't see. Can't tell. Okay. One screw. One's out of it. Get it off here, pull back through that way, so that's clean. Cast. Okay, clean. You can get this brass out of here too if you can. Gotta be careful, it's really sharp, so you don't cut your hand. It's porcelain, right? Guess it's easier just to smash it. There you have brass sockets. Okay, that one's done. Pretty easy one. Okay, manual. It's really, really heavy. I don't know what's. Oh, look at the transformer in there. Wow. It's the heaviest DVD player I ever had. Oh, it's got some nice chips in there. Look at that. Never seen a transformer so big. A DVD player like this. Look at this. Look at that. Huge. In case my battery dies, that's it. If I just disappear all of a sudden. Quite even got copper on the edges here. Normally not this big. The big heatsink too must have been an amplifier. Maybe a karaoke machine or something. Got a big heatsink there. Usually not that big. Must have had a lot of power in this thing. Ground. Should be copper. Got copper here. So it's actually pretty nice. I'll take it apart a little more, okay? Stand by. Okay. Here's the DVD part. Really nice heavy heatsink. Unique looking too. I don't know how they did that actually. Pretty cool. It's got holes here. Some board here. It's got a really nice chip here. Big chip and a bunch of other ones. Copper spools. So pretty good board. Not too bad. A little bit of wire. The transformer was the weight. Transformer made it really heavy. Okay.